Good morning from Queenstown, where it is a really beautiful day today. The sun is out. I don't even really need this jacket on if I didn't want to be wearing it. But where I'm going today, it has a good likelihood of getting pretty cold. I am doing something today that I really swore that I would never do. In fact, I've told other people I think they're crazy. I think it's stupid. I am going to jump off a bridge. Not only that, I'm going to jump off the highest bungee in New Zealand, the Nevis Bungy. And not only that, I'm going to do it twice for some reason. I'm actually going to do the Nevis Bungy and the Nevis Catapult. Wish me luck. This should be good. This should be good. I'll be screaming like a little girl. If I had my time back, I probably wouldn't have booked this. Oddly enough, it's non-refundable. I'm gonna do fine. Okay, I'm all checked in. They wrote a bunch of stuff on both my hands. I don't know what it means. I think that's my weight, which is a lot more than it was before I came here. So we're just waiting for the bus now, and we'll be headed out to the Nevis Catapult and Nevis Bungy. I think I'm gonna do the bungee first.
See your hand. Perfect. We got one on both sides? Yeah. Sweet. Come on in. All right.
Kia ora, my name is Shane, I'm the Chief Flight Attendant.
Get ready, inside you in. That means we weighing in. Because that's what I've done now, when we're on holiday. Yeah, that's the thing, Chris. Arms out by your side, good. Is that like eagle going up in that round? That's perfect, alright? I'm just saying, best way to dive, Michael, is just getting to the edge and just jumping off feet first. So if you don't want to pull it, you can't pull it, don't worry. Just pull your upside down. Like a floppy old fish. And you guys just want to chill here, and we'll go next to the boat.
Am I going first? They're making me go first.
Hello, how we doing? Come on in this way, mate.
You okay? How you feeling, mate?
Scared to death.
Wonderful. Whereabouts are you from?
Canada.
Oh, nice. What part? Where are you from? New Brunswick. I actually live in the States now, but it's better probably from here. But I love the free fall.
Free fall's amazing.
We're leaving now. Goodbye, everybody.
It's gonna be okay.
I can't believe they're making me go first. I'm just gonna go. Yeah, just. That wasn't bad at all. Woo! Oh my goodness. That was probably one of the coolest things I've ever done. Okay. That's nothing like you're expecting. I will do that again. That was nothing like I expected. Just jump. Yeah. Just jump. Oh my god. That was absolutely a bucket list check off of terror that was completely unwarranted. So now I'm headed out to the catapult, which is right here. Oh wow, I guess they want you to actually walk out there. Okay, what a great day so far. I've spent 2 days worried to death about this whole experience, and it was completely not worth it. I know I've said that 10 times already, I think. You sort of feel like your belly, your gut is gonna drop, but it doesn't do that at all. The only problem I had was getting my legs unhooked at the end. All right, let's get over there. Everything is quadruple and quintuple checked here. Your weight, everything. That was great. Yeah, a little more thrilling than the Bungy, actually. Yeah, I thought it was a little more thrilling. Excellent. That was great. Wow, that's it for my day at the Nevis Catapult and Nevis Bungy. If you want to do this, you really got to come and do it. Do the combo. It is amazing. The Catapult is way better than I thought it was going to be. The Bungy was way less scary than I thought it was going to be. I've basically spent 2 days worrying about it. But seriously, nothing to worry about. They triple check everything, quadruple check everything. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you want to subscribe, we'd love it if you do that. And if you want to get updates, click that bell for notifications. Bye from Nevis. Oh! I just went. That's all I just